I will check the error next. Else is the window inner join inner width is minus or equal to 7068, for example, will be considered a medium size. This size, mm, size divide. Let me check what is the problem. I don't know, but I will check in a moment. Okay, and size dot medium and so on. Okay, I will copy all of this. This will be say large, and here will be extra large. It's all real. Uh, who can who can let me check what is the problem here? The problem say size divide is type of and size Emacs enable to and sizes.
Means the declaration you have given and that the things you are assigning, that is not matching their data type.
Okay. Let me in the it's a type here. Okay, it's a type here. I will initially set, for example, uh, num size small, for example. Okay. Okay. It is here. Well, the next step is to go to the HTML the to the HTML, and here we'll implement the size of the button according to the size of this variable, of the variable size device. Okay. Another step that you need to do here is call this function in the after view init. View init. Okay. ng view init. I will call this variable, this function. Okay. Read. Okay. How we can call the variable into my HTML here? Well, we need to use the ngClass directive in this. For example, I will move all of this. Okay, I will change this class by ngClass. For example, I will call ngClass. ngClass equals. Um, I will call all of this btn-primary. Okay, and next, well, ngClass is an array. You can an array of classes. Okay, for example, this is an array here. Next, I can some other class here. For example, This that I call my variable. My variable is called size device here. If this is equal to my type sizes dot small. Okay. If this is true, I apply a class here. For example, I can apply this class. It's not true. I don't apply any class and read it. Next, I will copy all of this for the different size of device. For example, medium. I will apply the class btn and let me check the documentation is small. What is the other size? Large. Well, I need is for large here, LG, and next extra large is I don't know what is extra large. Size LG LG. Tiene LG. Okay. Well, I put the same. Okay. Bin. I remove this and okay. I will save all. Um, Maybe I need to add this. It's unexpected. Uh, ngClass is here. btn-primary. Okay, here is here. It's reading. Okay, I will check how the this works. Um, I have this. I will change the dimension. For example, this is small. Um, if I change, for example, to a computer, uh, he button is large according of this. Okay. If I change the uh, device screen, for example, is a cell phone, the button will be smaller, as you can see here. Okay. If you change this dynamically. For example, responsive. You move this, the bottom is changed dynamically. When the size is smaller, the bottom will be small too. Okay, as you can see in here. Okay, you can copy all of these to the following bottom. For example, I copy this for the bottom. Okay, class on is all. Save all. The bottom will be more. Uh, as you can see, the button are adapted to the size of the screen, the size of the button. Okay, and this is all. You got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is that I want to show. Uh, any question?
No.
Okay, it is all for from me. If you can, will continue.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.